Hello, my name is Muhammad Rashid. I am a machine learning engineer at OneKode. Today I will discuss how AI works in real time using CCTV cameras. Let's have a look.
Workplace safety is our top priority. Our AI, personal protective equipment monitoring system, continuously monitors workers using multiple CCTV cameras. If worker is not wearing personal protective equipment, the system detects it immediately. Alert is sent to Kafka with worker's detailed date and time. For example, if someone is missing a helmet or mask, the system highlights it and saves the information, then send it to Kafka. All alerts and violations appears on our dashboard, where safety teams can review them. Each alert comes with a short video clip, so managers can see exactly what happened. The dashboard also shows reports and safety trends to help companies improve workplace safety.